wiring a switch for this, so I was kind of freaking out yesterday, and then I started looking online and I found this kit, and thankfully they had one at Lowe's. What is up, everyone? Today we are adding a SinkTop switch for the garbage disposal on this sink. We're using this InSinkErator kit, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. This video is for you if you have a composite. This is a composite quartz sink. We're putting a switch for the garbage disposal down here, and we've got our plug-in right here. So this is not a direct wired. So if you fit all those criteria, then this will work for you. Should be pretty easy from what I've been looking into it. First time I'm doing this, so yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it's supposed to be pretty simple to put this kit in. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. We've got our sink here, and the first thing we've got to do is cut out the hole where we're gonna put it, and I think we're gonna put it on this side farther away. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so we are under the sink, and the first thing is, this is a Karan sink, I don't know. The first thing, we're gonna look back here, and a lot of these sinks already have the holes started for you, and so ours is right here. So all right, yeah, so we're good to go there. Our hole is already started, so all we need to do is get our drill bit and finish that hole out. Should be pretty simple. Put the phone here for some light. All right, and we're using, just pick this up at Lowe's. It's just a simple white diamond hole saw. So this is a tile saw, and this is a wet saw. So I'm gonna cut this bottle. I'm just gonna dip it in there every so often. It shouldn't be too hard. So when you're drilling the holes with this, it has to be wet. But since we're upside down, it's gonna be a little bit of a situation. So jump down here. Fit this drill back here. Keep this wet. Let's get going. Need to get some glasses. Oh, it's already popping out. We'll get this one. Got it. Alright, that was it. There it is. Got our hole cut. Perfect. So these sinks right here make it pretty easy. They pre-drill the holes for you. You've got like a quarter of an inch, not even quarter of an inch. You've got maybe like an eighth of an inch to go through. So yeah, the drill bit itself is about 20 bucks. Alright, we've got, this is our switch. This is our plug-in, which is gonna go on the wall, screwed in, and this is gonna go plugged in. And our little hose, which is going to go connected here. All right, so step one, we're gonna put the button in the hole. It goes button, rubber gasket, stainless washer. It says that's optional, so you don't have to put it on there, but first, and then you take the very bottom screw part off, and that's gonna go underneath. Slide that right there. Alright, just hand tightened. Alright, we've got our button in. Alright, next we're going to mount the little box here. It didn't come with a screw, so you will need a screw. But it's just 2 little screws to mount it to the side of your cabinet. So let me find some screws real quick. So we're just gonna mount it right next to the outlet box. Actually, we'll mount it above. Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
I thought I wasn't gonna have to pick up JJ.
He said he was gonna find a ride, but then I don't know. And then why is he calling you?
After me that he's done.
Oh, it's at the high school, it's not too far.
That's well. Alright, bye.
Bye. Alright, that's in. Next, we've got the little tubing cord, and it just goes pushed in. I don't see anything else. Okay. I think I got it in. Let's try it, and then we can shorten the little hose if we need to. Last step, plug in the power. Okay, plug in the power, and then you plug in your disposal. To it, and it should work. Let's try it now. Oh, there it is. Okay, nice, we got it. That's it. We just need to shorten the little black hose. It's working. Nice. All right, guys, there you have it. That was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder. It actually took about 15 minutes from start to finish, maybe 20. The hardest part was drilling the hole, but like I said, the sink already had the hole started, so it wasn't even that hard. I did buy the drill bit, so that was $20, and I had to buy the kit for this, which was a little bit pricey, but I think well worth it for how fast it was and how well it works. So $105 for the actual kit, comes with everything, and then $20 for the tile drill bit to drill the hole. But yeah, as you can see, and now we have our garbage disposal directly on the sink, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, when we built the island, we forgot about wiring a switch for this, so I was kind of freaking out yesterday, and then I started looking online and I found this kit, and thankfully they had one at Lowe's. Yeah, it took about 15 minutes, guys. If this helped, and if you liked the video, hit that like and that subscribe down below if you want to see more, guys. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. Really appreciate you guys, and the channel is growing. So hope it helps, guys. We'll see you guys next time.